Amazing morning! Ako po si Mentor Noni at papakita po sa inyo kung ano ba ang sikreto ng aking daily lifestyle, kung bakit ako naging free cancer, binigyan ako ni Lord ng blessings, nawala na yung mga gamot ko para sa high blood, nakakalakad na ako, wala nang mga sakit sa likod, pati ang hyperacidity ko, lahat yun ay nawala. And that is because of this I Am Amazing body. Na-discover ko po ito noong August 2024. Nag-start po ako at nakita ko ang resulta after 2 weeks lang. Wala na lahat ng mga sakit ko sa likod. So, may daily routine. After praying, inom po ako nito kasi it's good to take 30 minutes before breakfast with a room temperature of water para hindi mawala ang enzyme, hindi namatay. It's also good to take 2 hours after meals. Now, 2 sachets yung iniinom ko kasi ngayon medyo under the water ako. 1 sachet is good if you're healthy and you can take 2 to 3 times if you feel you're not feeling good, or let's say may cold and flu ka, tsaka kung nagre-recover ka. Now, for the kids, maganda rin siyang ipainom. For the infant, 1 to 2 grams, and you can add milk. For the grade school, they can also take 1 to 2 sachets in a day. Diba? Masarap naman po ang lasa niya. Talagang completos ricados sa enzyme, minerals, multivitamins. Ang wala po lang dito is vitamin D, which is you can get in sunset. Okay po? Alright. Diyan. Tignan natin dyan. Ganyan po ang itsura niyan. O by the way, 50 ml lang naman ng water ang dapat mong ilagay. Hindi kailangan madami. At masarap siya. Okay, masarap siya by itself. Masarap din siya to put, if you wanna put almond milk. And for those who wants to have some sweet taste, you can put some honey. So, pwede mo rin siyang ilagay sa smoothie mo kung gusto mo. So, it's up to you. What is important is you get this 1 sachet that contains 68 micronutrients. If you have any questions, you can send me a message.